If you're trying to find the recorded phone calls on your Android phone, where and how you find them depends on what type of Android phone you have. I'm going to show you how to do this on a Samsung Galaxy and Google Pixel, since the two handle it very differently. On Samsung phones, this is pretty straightforward, and there's two ways to find your recorded calls. You can go to the phone app and use the recent calls list to locate a call that includes a recording. If I scroll down on my list, I can see some calls have a tiny microphone icon on the right, which indicates that those calls include a recording. I can tap the call and then tap the microphone to play the recording. Easy enough. If I tap this little list button next to the call, it'll take me to a view that lists all my calls with this contact. And in this view, when I play the recording, I'll also get an option to open this recording in the Voice Recorder app. Or I can go to the Recorded Calls folder. The folder option literally shows you a folder that holds all your recorded calls, and you can also access this through the File Manager. And the File Manager is actually an easy and quick way to show all your recorded calls in one place. To access the Recordings folder, I'll go to the My Files app and then go to Internal Storage. From there, we'll look for a folder called Recordings, and inside that, there's going to be a folder for phone calls. Here, I can view and listen to all my recordings. Or, if I long press a recording, I can move it, copy it, or share it through another app. I could quick share, email, text, or upload these on Google Drive, for example. If you're on a Pixel phone, things are going to look a little different, and Pixel actually does not store calls in the File Manager. If I go to look at my internal storage in the Files app, I actually do see a recordings folder with some phone calls in it. But this is because when I first got the Pixel, I used my old Samsung phone to import all apps, files, and data to the Pixel, and that brought over the recorded calls from my Samsung phone. So, if you're imported data from an old phone, you might see a folder like this, but none of the new call recordings will show up here. The way Pixel handles this is to keep everything within the phone app. So, I'll go to the phone app, and then on the Home tab, we'll look at recent calls, and once again, keep an eye out for a little microphone icon. When I see that microphone, I know that call includes a recording. I can tap the call to play the recording, and again, use the share button to send this recording to someone via text or email, or send it to another app or device if needed. If you're having a hard time locating the calls with recordings, you can tap a contact on this list, and then from the options below, tap History. This gives you a full list of call history with that person, and this list will also highlight any calls that include a recording. You can then tap those recordings to play them or share them. And that's how you locate recorded calls on Android. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more quick and easy guides like this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.